All right. It comes this time of the afternoon when we start to play some girl pop, if that's okay with everybody.